Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA Kajuai constituency uba Wailad miki Shylla. Ulaong baka sorkar kalamang pisa at penduklur tingkan nak mentaka Jingpyntrei ya kayo Iawmusiang. Bat mentaka Jingpyntrei kala Ïaid Shait. Bat yang ni Jingpyntrei la community ban pendap hapo at pesau benai. Ulaong baka Iawmusiang kadai kayo kabakong san baha kabadan hapeding jong kanong ba. Kumta ulaong baka ni kayo kan kentiu ya kayo kakot jong kinong syong kadai kathan. Bat kitu kinong syong yo kibalalit syong hadong mi isngi. Kinsa yo banwan syong no Iawmusiang andara dep shnaya ka.
Like as you know that Iawmusiang has been one of the burning issue in Juai town, and actually it is for the whole of Jingpyntrei Hills. As you know that the donor ministry has sanctioned for this very project under the district council, but later on due to some issues then the work stopped. Then later on when I got elected in 2018, then I follow up the issue, and then I realized that it's very difficult to get the sanction back from the donor ministry due to these issues. So that's why I urge the government under the leadership of our chief minister. Then I have requested him for the new sanction. Then I'm very thankful to him and to the government that they have sanctioned 26 crore for this project, for the completion of this project. So the work already started. Right now it is going well. I have been continuously visited the site, and the work progress is very good, and I'm hopeful. The work completion was supposed to be 24 months, but I'm very confident that before the time limit the work will be done and will be the blessing for the people of Jingpyntrei Hills. So you know that Iawmusiang is one of the oldest market in the whole of Jingpyntrei Hills. So means like and during the time when this new market was supposed to be built, so there was an existing market in that area. So those people were being shifted to the new market in Dongmisni, so district council market. So this very same people, I think they have already had a talk with the district council. So once this is done, then those people will be shifted here. But if you see the location wise, Iawmusiang is in the heart of the town. In the heart of the town, means like location wise is very ideal for the market. So that's why we feel that once this market will come, it will boost the economic activity in the area. So suppose like now, I think many will be accommodated there, because right now the market is scattered. Like I told you that there were market there, that it being shifted to the other area. So it is scattered. So now once this construction of this market is done, so the market will be again come together, and I think it will really help the people who are coming for the market, and especially to those shopkeepers who for the overall economic activity.